Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then at the bottom of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side of the charging case we see this LED light. It means that your earbuds are charging. Amazing, so it works. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port at the charging case. Again, this LED light, so it also charging your earbuds. The last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable for charge it from, let's say, PC or another device with USB-A port, and it look like this. Now connect USB-A cable to USB-A port on your PC or another device, and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your charging case. Again, this LED light, so it also works. And that's it. I tried reverse wireless charging from this phone, and this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging. So this is the only options. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!